Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, January the 19th, 2021. We have here in this newspaper three regular Sudokus. First one I've already solved the binary. The second one is a medium Sudoku. And the third one a killer Sudoku. But it's time now for the medium Sudoku. Regular medium Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra puzzles. 6 puzzles, 3 of them I will solve, half of them. So total of 6 puzzles I will solve today. Too much, but anyway. The average time for each puzzle is 15 minutes. Well, you can count how many hours I will be, because the same time I need also to upload them to YouTube. So if there is an opportunity for live, then I don't have to record it and upload it. If it's live streaming, it will automatically saved by YouTube. But I need more subscribers. I believe 1,000 subscribers I need for live streaming. So I need to wait, because now it's almost 100 subscribers. And my goal is not to have a lot of subscribers, but it will be for me a little bit easy if it's live streaming, so I spend less time for uploading it. Anyway, let's do it together. And let's start with this Sudoku medium number 4002. I need to get use of this with the 4. 4002. And before I start, I always count with the printed digits. This one, 26. Yes, correct me if I'm wrong. And a puzzle with 26 printed digits. If you compare with the ones that are 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. Puzzle in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. How about we have Yeah. Okay. 9 in this row, third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have 2 digits, a pair. Look, we have a 4 and an 8 in the first row, the 4 and an 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there in that box. Here 3 in this column, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. And we have a pair again. 2 and a 1 in the first row, 2 and a 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. How about the number? 5 in this row, 5 in that row. The row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Okay. Then. How about the 3 in this column, the 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Okay. Cannot continue with the 3 now. How about yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in the first column. So no 5 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 are missing. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this column. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, and look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this column. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. Alright. Okay. Then. How about 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay, and I cannot continue with the 4. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? And those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, and look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 and the 9 cannot be in this box. The 8 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and an 8 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 5. One box left in this last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. Alright. Okay. And we have a pair. 2 and a 7 in this column. 2 and a 7 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 2 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright, so one box left in the middle column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Yes, 6 is missing. Yeah, and now we have two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, two missing numbers in this column for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. It's a pair. We have here now two pairs. So the other pair, the third pair, should be the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Two missing numbers in the third column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those again. A lot of pairs. How about these two missing numbers in this column for the numbers? So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. Two missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. And in this row we are missing 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. Well, we have a 7 here in this column, so no 7 in this box. Here also a 7, so no 7 in that box. Here a 7, so no 7 in that box. So one box left in this row for the 7 should be here. Okay, now I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright. Then. How about 3, 4. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, and look, we have a 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and a 4, 9 and a 4, so one digit left in the second column for the number 3. Alright, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 6. Alright. So this should be also 2 and a 6. Anyway, we have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. And I know the 2 and the 6, yeah. So this should be the 2 and the 6 also. 9 and the 4, 7 and the 8, yeah. 2 and a 6, 2 and the 6 are missing in the first column. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. 9 and 4, now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore, that box should be a 6, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you, need 15 to 20 minutes to solve 8 2-stars Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Until then, bye bye for now.